If you are wondering why I did not ask you to download anything like Python or PyCharm software, it's because I have a better option for you. First of all, we will open our Google Chrome or any other browser. Type in the search bar Google Colab, which is the short form of Google Collaboratory. Then click on Welcome to Collaboratory. Here, you will see the home page of Google Colab along with your previously saved files. Now, click on the New Notebook button. On clicking a new tab, you will get an environment for your Python coding. You can start your Python coding from here without any downloads. You can rename your file from here. Let's start our journey with basics of Python. Let's print a random statement, then I will show you how it's working. Now, click on Runtime. Here you will see the different options. Click on Run Selection to execute the program. Or a shortcut key to execute this code is Ctrl-Shift-Enter. Now, let us understand how print statement works. First thing you need to understand is that print is a built-in function, which means that print keyword is predefined in Python language, and we have to use it as it is. All the coding which is required to print a statement on screen is already done behind the print command. These parentheses are used to give instructions to function on what to print. It can be a string or a variable too. Now, let's see how we can print a variable. We will dive into variables in detail in the next video. Give a name of a variable and then assign a numeric value to it. You can give any name or any value to the variable. We will explore more variables in further videos. Now, let's just print the value inside the variable. Give the name of the variable inside the parenthesis. And voila, we have our output result. Now let's just say we want to print string as well as numeric value inside a variable together. Let's try to do that too. But that did not work. My variable name is printed as it is. It is because I entered variable name inside these parentheses, and anything inside these parentheses will be printed as it is. Now, to enter the value of the variable, I need to separate variable name from parentheses with a comma. And there you go. You got a perfect statement with a string and numeric in it. Hope you understood the concept of print statement. In the next video, we will look at variables and types of variables. Thanks for watching.